This is, oops. Enjoy! Hello, just got back from my mentorship program. We shoot and edit videos. And what I mean by we is me and my mentor Lance. We met in Collective Access where young want to be entrepreneurs and meet with different professionals. This is how it looks like.
So, whenever I'm making a video, the first thing I do, I have to pick the song. Because the song dictates, all right, how is this video going to be? Is it going to be upbeat? Is it going to be sad? Is it going to be like drama? So, now, if you're going to find music, you got to do this. First, you got to put copyright, because we don't want to steal anybody's music. You can get, there's music for free. See, that says copyright free music. And I always do like positive music. So all this music right here is free. It's upbeat.
What's your favorite one?
I don't, that's a good, hold on. You'll see it. We're going to come across it. But we got to pick one for our video, because this is going to be our greatest video ever.
6.
6, all right. It's not high enough. 0 to 10, what do you rate this? What do you rate this? 6, all right. Not high enough. Yeah, I guess it's 0. This one sounds like a serious movie.
Yeah.
And
We need a more of a fun.
I know, something fun. Upbeat, hold on.
That's cool.
I know! Hold on. What do you think of this one?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. All right, we're in agreement. We're going to use this one? Okay, so this is my converter. So I copied the little search field right here. Copied it. The address bar. Put it into the converter. I punch it in. I hit enter. Now it's saying download. Okay. Now we need our video. Okay. So we got to do the storyboard. How's this going to go? This song is 1 minute and 16 seconds. I can use 1 minute of it. Okay, so I always do a storyboard. Yeah. Okay, obviously going to ruin my notebook. Okay.
I always do that.
No sound, just the music. What's going to be the story for this? We're going to film it all right here within the next 5 minutes. What are your ideas? Give me some of your ideas. You go, then I go. You want to go first? Okay.
Sure.
So first, in this video, a picture is walking down that hallway, right there, right? So first scene, walking down the hallway, both you and I.
We can sit.
I know, it'll be fun. We'll be walking down the hallway. Yeah. So this is what I use to edit movies. I use regular iMovies. You use, what is it?
I use Lightworks.
You do?
I thought you said fat, not fast.
We're done. Okay, taking it from the top. You ready?
Yeah.
So hey everybody, what did we just do?
We made this video.
We just made this video. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. I think that works.
I think it'll work.
I think it works.
All right,
Perfect.
let's go into it.
Let's do it.
Do you know how long it took us to do that? About half an hour. Well, less than an hour for sure. Anyway, Lance is from Collective Access. For more info, see on the screen or in the description. Have any questions or want more info on mentorship? Leave in the comments so I can connect with you and give you the deets. Oh, and by the way, I have a giveaway, so check out my Instagram. follow us on Facebook or Sloth Chef Faehr Eve on Instagram.